Hey y'all, it's Trucker's Life. Y'all know we back. We got some super colossal shrimp. You know they big because they only 13 to 15 count per pound. And then we gotta unroll this so y'all see the product. Oh boy, oh boy. Y'all know what I do. Come on now. We got a lobster tail. Nice one, chunky one. Make a couple tacos. Oh, I said too much. My bad. I'll be back. Let me dress all this up the way it needs to be. And I'll let y'all see. Alright, y'all, we back. We got half a stick of butter. Turn this up a little bit. Turn that up to there. And we're gonna take some green chilies. Put that right in there with the butter. And y'all know, I do this in my truck, but y'all saw the lobster tail. Tell me that don't. Tell me that's not a perfectly clean, de-shelled lobster tail. Tell me it ain't. Because I'll tell you where you lying at. And we're going to take some of this. I took this out of my freezer, so it's a little cilantro. Take some. Oh, I pulled the wrong thing. I got to grab the garlic powder. Hold on. My bad, y'all. I grabbed the garlic salt. Didn't mean to. But instead, I'm going to use the minced garlic. There we go. I'm going to let this stuff cook with some coarse sea salt. Turn it. Sea salt on there. Put some fresh ground pepper. And some Mexican chili powder. And of course some lime juice. Give it a little bit more acidity. There we go.
Put Cuz on the phone, like, man, what's going on? You know, Cuz say he coming up to the farm. Somebody from town.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna put the shrimp in. And a little bit more cilantro. We're gonna add a little bit more green chilies. And of course some more salt, pepper. And of course some more of the Mexican style chili peppers. And of course some more lime juice. And we're going to turn it on low and just let them simmer till they're cooked. Well, I didn't put it on low. I put it on about 160. Oh, shoot. Almost forgot. Need the spatula. Mix them around. And get all that seasoning and juices on top of the shrimp so that they're coated with that seasoning. My cilantro, I bought it fresh, but I froze it, and it's a little harder to deal with. with when it's frozen. My first time doing that, but hey, maybe I need to start drying it out first. There we go. That's a lot better. Hey, what's up, y'all? We back. We about to plate up these tacos. We got the tortillas. We got... I gotta find it real quick. Sorry, I didn't open my eyes. Right here. Walmart. Chorizo refried beans. We're gonna take a scoop of them. I'll put y'all right here. Trying to, there we go. Take a scoop, put a smear on it. Another scoop, put a smear on it. Another scoop, because these, hey, I'm not ashamed to be honest. These is better than anything I could make. I've tasted them. There we go. We'll grab the tongue right here. Take some shrimp. Put it right there. Put one right there. We're gonna do that for two of them. Okay? I gotta chop up that lobster and I'll be right back. Okay, we got the lobster chopped up. We're gonna go right here. Right here. We're gonna put a couple pieces of lobster on each taco. Just a couple. The first two are gonna only get a couple. The last two are gonna go half and half for real, for real. See right there. Boom. Boom. And then the shrimp. Just like that, y'all. And we're not gonna leave it like that. Come on, we gotta be real. I'm not gonna lie, I should have made more shrimp. But it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Alright, we back. We got some queso. And we're just gonna hand shred it right on top. Because you know it's that crumbled cheese. Shred it, see? Sorry, my hands are bad, so. Alright, y'all, so we got some habaneros, you know. I like my habaneros and just dust them over the top. That's all I need. I don't need a bunch because these are hot. And we're going to take some sour cream. Take them and just kind of drizzle them, well, as drizzle as you can. I don't have a fork, I got sporks. Alright, this is the last touch to it. The queso quesadilla. And then these got to go back in the microwave for a couple seconds. But you know what? I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to keep them the way they are. Because this shit's going to be fire right here. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I got something I'm waiting for tomorrow. I'm out. Truckers Life. Hey, baby. Cowboys Nation. I'm gone.